Happy Independence Day, happy feast, and a healthy, warm good morning to you all. Today we have dual celebration, our country's independence, and secondly, the feast of Our Lady, Assumption into Heaven in body and soul, is a fitting tribute to her, for she has given the world its Savior. Both the Assumption of Mary and the independence hinge on the same theme, which is freedom. May Mother Mary help us in attaining this lofty freedom for all. As we mark this 74th Independence Day, I salute and remain indebted towards the great leaders who devoted their lives for the freedom of our country. It is through their sacrifice and struggle that we breathe today's freedom. Since independence, India has shown tremendous growth in various fields, figuring itself as one of the leading countries in the world. Celebrations are incomplete without the presence of people around. So also today we miss the realm of our students, expressing patriotism and solidarity through their voice, dance and drama. The sudden attack of COVID-19 that shook the world made us realize that nature is the most powerful weapon that holds the rein of our lives. Education shifted from the classroom to the doorstep, forcing all of us to chant new basic and give rise to online classes, facing difficulties and challenging the time became the need of the hour. We gave in our best. It is said, freedom is never given, it is always won. Let us all win over the present pandemic situation, hoping to see our classroom and campus full of life very soon. Jai Hind and happy feast. God bless us all.